Dear fans, Namaste. Today we are going to talk on the sign Aquarius, Kumbh Rashi. It is the second last sign of the zodiac, and Saturn is the ruling planet for this sign. Dear fans, the people born under this sign love discussing about big issues, mainly related to the welfare of the community and social justice. They are visionaries, rebellious, and highly disciplined. Despite these threats, they have some challenges too. They are likely to face financial fluctuations and health issues related to circulatory and nervous system. For careers and professions, they are prone to get success in the field that require highly intellect, deep intellect, research and innovations, politics, and social activism.